Bodie, come! No. Bodie, come! Now! Come on! Come on, Bodie! No! Bodie, come! This way now, come on! Come on! Good boy! Hey, no! No! Leave it! Good boy!
Part of the grade.
Oh no, this is.
Oh, 6th grade.
Hey, no! Get it, Bodie. Oh. Hey, you gotta stick that landing. Let's see, will you let me toss it? Huh?
I did not like the maze runner.
You want me to toss it to you? Ah! Here, let me toss it to you.
There's a maze runner.
All right. Ready? Sit. Sit. Will you sit? No? No, sit.
The first movie.
Hey, does Lola know how to does she know how to sit? Oh, okay. Yeah, I was trying to get her to sit, and then I tossed that to her.
But they're being monitored though.
She loves to play Tug with Bodie.
Bodie, where are you?
Oh yeah. I heard it. There was like
Now she doesn't want to let me get it.
I like
Here, can I get it? Can I get it? Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Okay, apparently she doesn't know drop it. Drop it.
I like that one.
Drop it.
It was very unrealistic.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Okay, I guess I'll try to get that later. Let's see. All right, got it. Oh, Bodie, hey, get it.
The one that does like a house.
Hey, how much does Lola weigh?
Huh?
How much does she weigh?
She weighs 100 pounds.
100 pounds. Okay. So Lola, the German Shepherd, weighs 100 pounds. Bodhi weighs 60 pounds.
Oh, yes. I think I saw them at the gym today. The one who tried to.
Okay, looks like Lola gave up. Oh, did you bring that rope toy? Oh, okay. Hey, no. No. He's trying to get the end that she has.
I don't think he wants to play.
How old is Penny?
What year?
A year.
Yeah.
And she's a Siberian Husky?
Damascus.
Oh, what kind of Husky?
She's a Damascus, so it's a husky, but it's like more wolf than anything.
Really?
Yeah, she has a direct wolf line.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, she's like 14% wolf.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How did you locate her?
Through a Facebook group page, Siberian Huskies of Southern California or something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there was a guy in New Haifa who had a husky that accidentally got pregnant and came out a litter of 6 girls, and she was one of them. And we were all kind of confused when they said Siberian because their colors are different.
Yeah.
They're just weird. They're not normal Siberian colors.
Mm-hmm.
And they took DNA tests, and we all ended up with basically the closest we could get is a Damascus.
Wow.
Yeah, and their grandparents are wolf.
Wow. So that Damascus, where do they originate?
I don't know, actually. Let me see.
And what's her age again?
A year.
A year, okay. Wow.
Yeah, she's a year.
Besides the appearance, because I actually thought that earlier before knowing that when I saw her, I was like, she looks like a miniature wolf.
Yeah, that's literally the definition of a Damascus.
Okay.
They're like direct wolf line.
Yeah. Do you know what, besides the appearance, do you know what characteristics they have of a wolf?
They're much more energetic than regular Huskies. They need about 90 minutes to 120 minutes of active play and kind of more of an aggressive play.
Wow.
And they prefer food that is free range food.
Oh, okay.
They like hunting food, like rabbit, duck, quail.
Do you give it to them live? Or?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, but she'll eat it raw.
I see.
Yeah, she'll definitely eat it raw.
Yeah, just when you said hunting food, I was.
Oh yeah, like she loves all them foods. So that's a Damascus, a full breed Damascus.
Can I show it?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Wow.
Yeah, so she's that, and they are from. Hi, Bodhi. Doesn't really say where they're from. It just says their kingdom is Animalia. Yeah.
Animalia.
Yeah.
Oh.
Their family is a Canidae.
Oh, there's a map.
Yeah, so this is, but I don't know where or what that is. Europe somewhere.
Let me see. Maybe somebody watching, maybe you might know. Maybe you might know where that is on the map.
Somewhere in Europe.
We're not sure. Okay, is that Italy right there? Because I see the boot.
Where's the boot?
Okay, the boot. See right there, the boot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I'm not sure what that
Yeah.
blue is, but that's where they're from.
Probably, yeah. And it says they're loyal, devoted, their colors, hair, lifespan. That's about everything about them.
But she is beautiful, very
Thank
very
you.
unusual.
Yeah, it says, it's funny because here it says their yappiness and their barking is very low, and she doesn't bark
Okay.
at all. She's not a barker.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, she's quite beautiful.
Thank you. They were bred from Siberian Huskies and Alaskan Malamutes, German Shepherds, and Samoyeds. So they're kind of
Okay.
they're kind of a mutt in the hunting dog.
Right. Wow. Now, when she has a backyard,
Yes.
does she hunt when she's back there?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Gophers. All the time.
Oh, gophers.
Yes, catches
Okay.
them, and she hasn't had the chance to eat them because we always take them away, but she will grab them, and I've never seen a dog grab an animal from the ground that fast.
Wow. So the gopher,
crazy.
does the gopher pop its head up, or
Yeah,
does she dig?
she'll detect it underneath the ground before she even sees it. She'll just start following it, and the hole that it just goes out through, she'll go in
Wow.
there, dig it
Hold
up.
on, I might have to intervene.
No.
All right, looks like it's okay. Yeah, he has a bit of a prey drive.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah.
Honey, come here, baby.
Good boy. Bodie, hey! Bodie! Get it! Oh, I was wondering, how's the shedding on her?
Terrible.
Oh, terrible?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
It's absolutely terrible. You should see the back of my car. It is.
Oh my gosh, you don't have a cover?
No, because it just there's no point. We try and she'll rip it off, or
Oh,
she's not
wow.
comfortable, and I
Yeah.
have cloth seats, so her dirty paws are gonna stain my
Oh,
seats.
wow.
But yeah, her shedding is absolutely terrible.
There's a guy who comes to the dog park. Well, he hasn't been here in a while, but he has a husky. It's a white husky, and he was driving an Acura, and he claimed that his husky shed so much that when he went to sell his car, that the air conditioning was all clogged up, and so he had to have them take out like the air conditioning vents and clean
Clean out
all
the
of that out.
filter.
Yeah, so there's hair all over the car. That's what he claimed.
I would imagine that mine would be the same.
Yeah.
To be honest, it's everywhere. It's in my cup holders. When I have food, I have to cover it up real well. And yeah, we get it vacuumed, but I take her to the park every day.
Yeah.
No matter where I'm at, because I don't live here, so I come out here to visit. But where I live, I go to the park every day in my car.
Just imagine the amount of money that someone would make if they made a husky or dog anti-shedding pill that
Yeah.
guaranteed that your dog would not shed for 30 days.
It's crazy. There's shampoos that they can get when they get groomed that
Yeah.
help with the shedding, but it only helps so much.
Wow. So how long do you usually exercise around here?
Here, it just really depends. I come out to visit my mom who lives out here.
Oh, okay.
So it really just depends whenever I feel like coming all the way down here. Because I live up in San Bernardino.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I'm pretty far.
Is this her primary exercise or?
Going to any dog park.
All right, take care, Manny.
is her exercise.
Oh, gotcha.
And
Yeah.
she has to go out twice a day.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, twice a day for an hour. So
Does
2
she ever
hours.
howl?
No,
Oh, okay.
no. She only talks.
Oh, only talks. Okay.
Yeah, that's about it.
Bodhi, you ready, Bodhi? It's about that time, right? It's about that time. Huh? Go ahead, up. Up. Good boy. Good boy. Go ahead, sit. Oh, you're already sitting. Okay, good. Stay. Okay, so that's going to put a wrap on today's video. Bodhi and I, we hope you enjoyed watching. If you can, please give the thumbs up. Also leave a comment below. And Bodhi and I, we want to say thank you to everyone who watches the ads that helps support Bodhi, and we appreciate it so much. And before we go, we want to say thank you to a few of our past viewers who left comments. Teresa Akins, Radical Productions, Anna G, Rebecca Zimmerman, Sir Miles, Live Silkies, Off Leash SoCal, Delia Downs, Elena DeLauder, Diane. Thank you all so much for watching. So until next time, Bodhi and I, we hope we'll see you on the next episode of Bodhi's World. Everyone, take care.